Angiosperms. Angiosperms are plants that produce flowers and bear their seeds in fruits. The name angiosperm comes from the Greek word angion, which means vessel, and sperma, which means seed. This naming describes how angiosperms are able to enclose their seeds within the flower's ovaries. Angiosperms include most of the fruits and vegetables we consume as well. There are around 300,000 total species of these flowering plants, making them the largest and most diverse group within the entire plantae kingdom.
Characteristics of angiosperms. Angiosperms are vascular plants with stems, roots, and leaves. They are the most advanced group of plants, and they all produce flowers because they're seed-bearing plants. They all undergo alteration of generations, and they produce fruit and seeds.
There are many types of angiosperms. This is considered the most diverse group within the kingdom Plantae, with about 300,000 different species. Some examples of this diverse group are rose, tomato, magnolia, a diverse group of grasses, corn, potatoes, orchids, hydrangea, and many, many more diverse plants.
Environment. Angiosperms vary in form. They can be found in a multitude of environments due to there being many different types of them. Some environments they can be found in include forests, deserts, grasslands, and aquatic or marine environments. They can adapt to any environment.
Okay, so this is the structure and function of angiosperms. So the most basic structure of angiosperms includes roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. And then the flower contains petals, sepals, a pistil, and you can see to the diagram to the left, it contains the ovule, ovary, style, and stigma, and the stamen. So pollination must occur before reproduction can occur. So the male's anther, which is located at the end of the stamen, is where pollen is made. And then the pollen must be relocated to the female's pistil. And the seeds are found within the flower. So first, the eggs have to be fertilized. And then when the eggs are fertilized, the eggs develop into seeds that are found within the flower. And xylem and phloem are vascular tissues that compose the structure of angiosperms. Xylem plays a role in the transportation of waters and minerals from the roots throughout the rest of the plant. And phloem aids in the transportation of amino acids and sucrose from the leaves to the whole angiosperm.
Reproductive system. The angiosperm reproductive system is a unique one to other systems. The flower is the reproductive part of the plant and has bright colors to attract pollinators. Angiosperms also have both male and female reproductive anatomy to sexually reproduce through their ovules that develop into seeds. Angiosperms also go through double fertilization, which only occurs in angiosperms and is a process where two sperm cells from pollen fertilize two different gametes. Double fertilization also forms the endosperm.
Okay, this is the dispersion of seeds in angiosperms. So animals aid in the dispersal of seeds from angiosperms by consuming them and excreting them after it is fully digested. And then water is another mechanism. It is utilized for seed dispersion in angiosperms like water lilies and mangroves. And then lastly, wind is a helpful mechanism for dispersing the seeds from angiosperms. An example of this would be a dandelion because the seeds disconnect from the flower head and then they travel with the wind.
Fun facts about angiosperms. Angiosperms dominate Earth's surface in more environments, particularly terrestrial habitats, than any other group of plants. Angiosperms are also the most important source of food for birds and mammals, including humans. They originated about 250 million years ago, and double fertilization occurs only among angiosperms and plants. Angiosperms are the only plants with concealed seeds, and they come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors.
Sources: